is called praise. I'd like to introduce you Praise's father, a man who walks every night and day in different bars, okay? Trying to push a talent. And every time I sit somewhere, we went to that one to then I will surgery. Where's the father? Please, I am an example when it comes to Alpha in my family, of course, including Beata. But this is a man who must stand up here on stage. A little down. Just because this is the next talent. Now, here I know we've got talent in this too. And there's actually Catherine Kusasla. She's a very good voice. But I want to give thanks to this gentleman on a Tatawa praise. Toba Naitambulichimu. For the sake of music, I give you one knee and thank you so much. When I'm Musala, I asked him to be friends because of his character. Gentlemen, hardworking. So, Uganda, Ilamanawa, YouTubers, TikTokers, I ask you kindly, let us raise these two talents. Let us raise them slowly. Oppressor. Family, speed your candidate. Thank you so much, my daughters, and I love you so much. Douglas.
Uncle Bebe, the story begins from here. Negaidida Bebe, Nengamba Bebe emirundi ngama 15. Nengamba Bebe, otadde sente nyingi mu bayimbi. Nino omwana gwenjagala olabe. Bebe akwata nnyonyi agenda America, agenda London, agenda wa. Paka Bebe we yangamba, Douglas, I'm going to come one time. If I get disappointed, sit down. Bebe we yajja, nempita omwana ono ne daddy we. Their testimonies. Nembagamba, omusajja yagambye ajja olwaleero. I told you to sing your heart out. Do you remember? Daddy, you remember? Omwana ono we yayimba. Bebe kuli yangamba, Daddy nice. You've taken me back to the days when I signed Rema Namakula. Nagamba, this girl is the future. Nagamba mulete. Omwana we yafukamira Mumaaso go. I remember you wanted to cry. No mugamba, don't kneel. No mugamba, you a star. You have made so many stars, including me. I give you your flowers today.
Thank you. Thank you, Douglas. I don't want this to be done in front of my baby. But I want to tell you that my job, Jamulabe tugenda nga mabagamba baveo bagende tetsakuvaho nga tetukoze bintu nga bino. Sijja kyo? Bano baana bamwe sijja kyo? Kale, kakati genda kuteeka muko obudakiika nga bwetuwulirizaako akole sinza mugira naye omusawo n'omulala ate balina kye baŋŋamba awo ne bw'olaba nkolamuko bwenti nga mpulira njagala mulabe ku musawo mulabe ne ku muwala eyo ku mabato abo babeera busy naye siri so sure how long they will take to be here. But now to the fans, first of all I want to thank Uganda Police and all the Baganda Bible companies on Agenze security. Thank you so much for securing Kiwatule. Enguudo zonna gye munalaga ziri safe. Teri muntu yenna agenda kukwatibwako. Naye tukyaliwo abasobola. Tuweeyo omusawo n'omuwala obudakiika. Naye batulaba nga tekigira era tujja babulira nti naye manyi tuyinza kubatereka nnyo kubanga abasajja abo baagala kutuuka wano. Naye mba nina okulaba nti abantu bange baba bakyagala okubeerawo okulinda. So, naye nga ate byonna, it's okay. Thank you so much. I love you.